Feeling pretty good. But where do I start? First ride of the season. Well, I mean, it's kind of the season. It's kind of freaking cold right now. I'm going to meet Scotty Boy right now because Scotty got a new bike. Scotty's back on a 450. He got a YZ 450. Woo, with the combos, dude. Should be a few other people, I don't know how many, but we're gonna get some good footage here. And I know it's been a while since I made a video. It's been like 4 or 5 months or something, but that's because it's winter here. So I haven't been riding at all. Even today it's flipping cold, bro. We don't have plates on right now because I cannot for the life of me keep my license plate on this bike. I either scrape it off or it rattles off. If you're new to the channel, thank you for subscribing. Primarily what I do is just kind of like motovlog type stuff like this, but like street stunt rides. I do a little off-road sometimes, a little bit of bike work stuff. And my batteries are probably gonna die within like 10 minutes, so I'll try to get as much footage as I can from today, but I don't know, we'll see how that goes. Oh, there's already people there. It's still ratchet. It's all dirty and
these plastics came out of hiding, didn't they?
oh yeah, I still haven't posted that footage either.
Sit on it for a long time. Don't ever do it.
What up, man?
Yo.
Nice to see you out, bro.
Yeah, it's good to be out. Yep.
I said no plate. That's what I like to see.
Now, homeboy is down on
Well,
the sumo tire.
I have my plate in my backpack. I can't keep it on the bike. It falls off. I scrape it off, whatever. So I'm like, this is stupid, bro. I went through like 2 of them, and it just keeps breaking off. So
As long as you got it in there.
That shit's tight, bro.
What's up?
That shit's tight, bro.
Damn, I'm getting a lot of compliments on my bike. I didn't think people really fucking fucked with it that much, but already went down. Oh shit, bro. Someone already went down. I don't know if I got that on film, but that was fucking crazy. Oh my goodness, bro. What the fuck? Oh, he's nuts. That's weird. If you notice, he hooks his heel on instead of the toe side. I need to take anti-anxiety medication before I go on one of these rides. I swear to God, dude, like, as soon as we leave, my heart's just fucking pounding. I'm nervous. Woo! Dude, he's nuts. He's already just throwing it back. Hell yeah. Oh my God, bro. No way. Some traffic work, bro.
I know it's been way too long, yeah. I've been on the low, just counting up. Focused on the paper, not no feelings, show no love. Brand new vibes, got me all like, woo! Counting the money, okay, okay.
How's it feel to be back on the 450?
Niggas keep plotting, they want me to break.
But it feels good, brother.
Nah, I'm tryna hang with your boy on the field. Bought me a flight for the 8 of the mo. Niggas is worried, don't know what to
He said he can't keep a straight line. Come on, you got it. Oh.
Counting the money, okay, okay. My bike crib with a view in LA. Niggas keep plotting, they want me to break down. Nah, I'm tryna hang with your boy on the field. Bought me a flight for the 8 of the mo. Niggas is worried, don't know what to do now. Loved you, remember me, we were cool. No, I can't deal with that. Trust me,
oh, yeah, bro.
it was me, not not true. Yeah, I know that's why I'm gone, babe, never to return. Gotta know your feelings and you gotta know your worth. Now that I know that I'm out of this world, out of this earth, niggas can talk but ain't talking to me. I worked so hard that I took me a nap on this beat and I woke up like, look, I'm a star. I put no sweat in this is my element. Straight to the plane, to the car, to the stool, to the house, to the
bike is so beautiful, dude.
Damn, niggas don't know the truth. I leave them stuck in the mud when I'm gone, cause niggas just want me to stand up and give them my help, dog. Dog, for real. Yo. Woo! Counting the money, okay. Might buy a crib with a view in LA. Niggas keep plotting, they want me to break down. Nah, I'm tryna hang with your boo in a few. Bought me a flight from the A to the moon. Niggas just worried, don't know what to do. Now, woo! Counting the money, okay. Might buy a crib with a view in LA. Niggas keep plotting, they want me to break down. Nah, I'm tryna hang with your boo in a few. Buy me a flight from the A to the moon. Niggas just worried, don't know what to do. Now, tell them the check finally adding up. Paper coming like bills right on schedule. This the moment I finally didn't had an epiphany. Working for me, I don't do it for you. Constantly working to tell you the truth. I don't got time to worry about your money.
That's a big bike, son.
So don't you confuse.
Oh my goodness.
Yo, nigga, this a classic, but I really got to prove. 2 years being broke, so I'm coming for the loot. If you need me, better call before I go and hit the switch. Wait, I did. Nigga, new phone, who cares? Wait a second, you don't gotta tell me shit. I know I'ma really make a killing off of this. Kicks, shorties, bad. Oh, I been getting used to this.
I got some clips for you.
I appreciate that.
Yeah. I was gonna say, how is he fucking... What the fuck? Oh. Oh, he's turning. He's making a turn too. Yup. Look at him, dude. He looks back to see if we're making the turn in a wheelie. What a nut. Oh, you fucking look back to see if we're turning.
I didn't know if we were going straight or turning.
Oh shit. Oh, that's not good. Oh, is he going? Oh my god. He did not just ride onto the sidewalk. Under the bridge, always, bro. Ah! Okay, that actually scared the shit out of me. Okay, no way he's making this turn. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, that's funny. Oh my goodness, those 2 scrapes. So good, bro. All right, guys, we're gonna see if we can get some footage with the good camera. I'm out.
Alright, dude. Hey, dude, it's really good to see you. Nice to see you, man. Later, man.
See you later. Alright, guys. That's about it for me today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Oh boy. Well, that was dope. It was good seeing everyone and riding with everyone. Have to do it again soon sometime, but probably gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Anyone who subscribed, likes, comments, watches videos, whatever, I appreciate it. Hope you guys liked the video. I'm definitely gonna be doing more videos in the future. I'll try to get them out as quick as I can, just because I haven't posted in a while. But yeah, thank you guys. I will see you in the next video.